Bekunomuzwa wenjabulo emva kokuchitha iminyaka e12 ezikoleni. Laba bangabanye babafundi kulo lonke leli abaphumelele ngamalengiso. Usiphe kuhle sithole uphumelele ngamalengiso izifundo ezisithupha.
To be honest, it's a lot of hard work, dedication, making sure that I'm on my case, making sure that I'm working along my classmates, everyone who's here to support me.
Labafundi ababili bathole 100% ku mathematics.
I'm not fully decided as to university, but I will be going to further education. Right now I'm looking at mathematical sciences with data science.
I worked hard for it, so it's just like, it's great to see all the hard work come together for a great result.
Isikole iPenerini Senal Sprite eMpumalanga siphumelele ngamalengiso sathola amaphesenti ayikhulu kwimiphumela kaGrade 12. Labafundi bajabule kakhulu.
I'm very happy with my 6 distinctions and excited for the future.
I managed to get 4 distinctions, one in mathematics and the other in accounting, which made me so happy.
Izikole Eastern Cape ziyaziqhenya ngokugcina isithunzi sazo njengoba ezinye zibala njengezenze kahle kakhulu. Usuku olujabulisayo kakhulu kubafundi iqhathu lokufezekisa amaphupho abo. Bahluleke nokuzibamba abafundi base St Dominic njengoba bebethola imiphumela yabo.
I feel really pleased with my results, considering everything I did better than I expected. Next for me right now is going to UJ for university.
I feel really good about my results, especially with how Corona affected my results and everything. I'm very excited to go into the future. I really do want to go to UCT. I really want to study psychology.
Baphumelele bonke abafundi base Rhythm House ezikoleni ezisikhombisa eKapa. Izikole Western Cape kubalwa iAtlantic Seaboard, Constantia kanye neDurbanville zithola ama-distinctions aku-379. Abafundi abangama-37 bathole OA kuthi abayi-109 bathole ama-bachelor.
I just put a lot of hard work in from the very beginning, from the get-go, and just try my very best.
The easiest way to do well is you got to when you're studying, you got to study well. You got to get a good night's sleep before. You got to drink water. You got to make sure you're eating, and you got to take breaks before you study.
Abafundi baka-Grade 12 esikoleni iPeps kanye nekolege elisePolokwane eLimpopo baphase bonke. Labafundi bathi bayaziqhenya ngemiphumela abayitholile.
I feel a bit relieved because this was 12 years of my life that I was in school, and now it's finally over, and it's a bit confusing what I'm going to do next.
It was very difficult, but our school made it very easy for us. They made sure that we were at school as much as possible in a very safe way, so I'm very thankful for that opportunity.
Ngokusho kwabazali kanye nothisha, imiphumela encomekayo yenziwa umphumela wokusebenza ngokubambisana.